Saving with Shay. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I literally have to go get Josiah from school like really soon. I wasn't gonna do a video today. Please excuse the fact that I'm a little nasally because I don't know if my allergies is allergen or what, but if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pal. Every seconds. And subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, subscribe. So I wanted to mention on Fetch, they have a deal right now where when you sign up for My Purina and you create a pet profile, you'll get $23. All right. So let me tell you though, when I was doing mine, when I was, you know, putting in a picture of my pet, it kept saying it wasn't processing, and I just kept saying try back later, and I just kept trying back later, and then eventually it went through, and I want to say it took about an hour, if that, for it to go through on Fetch, and I got back $23, like $23, right? Easiest $23 though. $23.10, like kind of, sort of. So I wanted to share that. I did do Uber Eats as well. This was my very first time doing Uber Eats, and it's Uber Eats when it's your first delivery. And so, and it has to be the same email address. For all of these little deals with Fetch, it has to be the same email address as your Fetch account is. And so I did Uber Eats as well. And that one was $60 or like 60,000 points, like $60 when it's your first delivery for Uber Eats. So I ordered something from Del Taco just because it's really close to me. And it said it should process in 2 weeks. So I hate that it's going to take 2 weeks, but look, listen. I got a burrito. And I'm just like, I don't know how people do this on a regular. Like the burrito was like $8. Like after everything tax and tip, it was like $19. Why was it $19.77, y'all? That's my year. 1970. That's how much it was. 1977. And then I'll get back 60. So that will be a massive moneymaker. If not, that's an expensive ass burrito, and I will feel some type of way. But it did come out of my PayPal fund. The other thing I wanted to mention was the Advil, because this morning when I was at the gym, I was like, it popped up on Ibotta. I was like, yes. And I was like, I'm gonna try something. So I did record my video for you guys for tomorrow, for Saturday, today. So I did go over this deal in that video, but I wanted to just shoot this video out for you guys today because I know that this is not gonna last. It's not gonna last. Let me get my cheat sheet. Okay, so we have triple rebates. We've got Ibotta limit 1. We've got Checkout 51 limit 5, and then we've got the sister apps, which is a limit of 2 receipt submissions, and you can get a total of 4. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 2 different ways of doing this. All right. If you just want to grab just 2 of them, then I would suggest grabbing the liquid gels. This is the 40 count. It's priced at $6.68, and then grab one of the 20 count, which is priced at $5. This one is scanning on the sister apps. I know the mini one, that one isn't scanning for me, although it's cheaper. And I thought of trying it, and I might try it. I don't know, but I hate to return stuff I don't really have to. And so you're grabbing 2 of these. You're gonna end up paying $11.68. And then you'll get back $10 on Easy Bucks. We'll get back $1.80 times 2 on Checkout 51. And I can confirm that it did work. And we'll get back $4 for this one on Ibotta. It's a limit of 1. So it'll make these both free plus a $5.92 moneymaker. Now what I did, because you guys know, your girl likes to max stuff out. And if I'm going to make more money getting 4, then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to get 4. And so we got 4 of these, right? We got 3 at $5. We got 1 at $6.68. All 4 is going to cost you $21.68. Getting back $20 on Easy Bucks, which I did. Again, 2 transactions. We did Easy Bucks and Inbox dollars. $20 went straight through both times. And then you'll get back $7.20 on checkout 51, which went through perfectly fine, y'all. And then $4 for this larger one on Ibotta. It'll make all 4 of these free plus $9.52 moneymaker. So yes, your girl got 8. Bam. 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 Where's the other one? Where is it? We got new offers on Flavor Wiki too, y'all. For those of y'all who say I'm so lucky and they love me so much. They wasn't showing me no love this morning. We got 8 of these, y'all, all free, plus what, a $19 moneymaker. So that's what I would do with that. I would do it sooner than later. Submitted my receipt to checkout 51 first. Waited for it to clear. It took minutes, y'all, minutes, and then I submitted it to Inbox Dollars and Easy Bucks, and it cleared, went straight through. And yeah, it makes it an awesome deal. So just thought I'd share real quick, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button, help support your girl, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.